Today we're here at SOAS Brunei Gallery here in Russell Square.
A lot of people who lost their lives, so they're the place for remembrance, where people who lost their lives during the war have not even been remembered as they should. There should be a big memorial.
Looking at the exhibition titled Legacies of Biafra.
See, nothing is growing, no leaf, no grass is growing, everywhere is barren. To show that this money belongs to everybody in the country, but particular people are taking it.
This exhibition commemorates the 50-year anniversary of the Nigerian Civil War that took place in 1967 to 1970.
Initially, we'd hoped the exhibition would open in Nigeria, given the importance of this conversation to Nigeria.
But still, there will be problems, because even the rising sun on the Biafran map is floating away from Biafra.
Whenever you discuss anything related to Biafra, there is this sort of a pullback. People are quite nervous of a conversation around Biafra because there's an assumption that to discuss Biafra is to somehow promote succession or is to open a wound. But this wound has never healed, and in silencing a conversation, you just end up with tensions that don't go away.
But the sad thing about it is that even when the civilians came in, it's not that they improved on what the military did. Basically, the civilians, it looks as if they even bought into this whole corrupt nature of military regimes, and bad governance, making wrong decisions or whatever.
So I would like to invite you all to please come down to Brunei Gallery in Russell Square to see the Legacies of Biafra exhibition running until the 24th of March. Now, when you come here, you're going to find a variety of artworks on display by the Nigerian Artists Society UK that range from paintings.
We don't quite hear first world or second world. We tend to hear more of the third world, which is a world where AIDS reigns supreme, which is a world where economic disadvantage and poverty and civil war and strife and greed and fraud and immigration, migration from Africa to the first world, which is not exactly ever called the first world, but we are called the third world for whatever reason.
To sculptures, to archival materials, films.
I would get family members speaking about Ojukwu, or I would hear the word Ojukwu, and I would hear like Biafra, and I would hear my uncle say, oh, the Yorubas are this and Yorubas are that, but I would never understand.
That narrate and tell the stories of lives of people that lived through the Biafra War.
The exhibition was another way of engaging this conversation, to engage a different audience, and to sort of use a more visual approach, audio-visual approach, to thinking about the impact the war has had.
So it's like a place where there's constant rancor, British experiment that still keeps yielding heartache.
And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
So really this was a move to generate a space for a kind of very constructive conversation with the intention of trying to bring about some sort of resolution. So as a result, it was difficult to get sponsorship for this exhibition. It was difficult to find a gallery in Nigeria to host this exhibition. So we began here in the Brunei Gallery. The Brunei Gallery is known for its openness to various conversations. It's a gallery linked to SOAS. And SOAS specialises in the study of Africa, Asia and the Middle East. And the staff at the Brunei Gallery have been wonderful in supporting us in the build-up to an installation of the exhibition and subsequently. My institution, City, also put some money in, helped fund this exhibition, and without the contribution of both these institutions, it would have been very difficult. The Igbo Conference also, which I'm part of, has been instrumental in both the promotion and development of this exhibition. So the idea now is, now that we've had this, or now that we're having this very successful show at the Brunei Gallery, we will take it on tour for the next few years. 2020 will mark the 50th anniversary of the end of the war, and so for the duration of the next 2 to 3 years, this exhibition will be on tour.